All right, so you guys saw what I did in the backyard. I'm not joking around anymore. It's happening. The front is started. I'm gonna finish all of this today. I've already taken care of this area back here. Let me show those people, because some people don't believe I actually do my own work. It's me. Oh, this is done. I've completed that right there. I'm going to put, I'm either deciding on some sort of cherry blossom or two bamboo clumps. You guys let me know. But right here, you see it, it's happening. This side is going to, everything's going to be done. The 100 bricks delivered today. 100. This side was done the other day. I took it apart so I can finish it. But I will make sure I post a video when I'm done.